Hi guys, this is part 2. Strawberry. May sasabihin lang ko sa inyo, may dalawang effects na nag-e-error, so hinayaan ko na lang. Ito na lang yung ginawa ko. Joey, come get off me! I am zombie! How can I help you, Mom? Strawberry. That's what is the voice. Cookie. I'm a boy. Don't hear the sounds, guys. Blue cookie. I'm a birdie. Toot. I'm so mad. I'm Princess Peach. I'm a puppy cookie. Wow. Coconut. Not saying another word next time, Mom. Dun. Wait for part 3. Don't say wait for part 3. It's still not done. Okay. Jeez. Ouch. I was beating myself. Go out. That was my tattoo. Chocolate. It's my first tattoo. Come back pa part 3. Ay guys, yung part 3 pala bukas na yun. Bye. Peace.